Today we talk about how can you disable basic protection on your emo app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account in security here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on login protection here. So then you come here to basic protection, click in this sign of this color. Then you click here on trusted device available here. So then you click here on sit now. So then you click here on OK. Then here you click here on allow here. So you click on allow. Then it's going to add here. So add here your phone number here, or just set a trusted device here. Then it's going to add with you here, and it's going to disable with you here on your emo app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.